Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumping volley in Unmatched. This powerful, advanced technique combines aerial movement with a swift attack, allowing you to strike opponents from unexpected angles. It's not just about dealing damage, it's about controlling the battlefield, creating openings, and maintaining pressure. Mastering this move can significantly elevate your gameplay, turning the tide in crucial moments and surprising even seasoned adversaries. To execute a jumping volley, you'll typically initiate a jump, then at the apex of your ascent, input the attack command. For example, pressing the jump button, then quickly following with the attack button while airborne. The timing is crucial. Activating too early or too late will result in a standard jump or a ground attack. Aim for the peak of your jump to maximize range and surprise. Consistent practice is key to making this complex maneuver feel natural and responsive. Strategically, the jumping volley offers several advantages. It allows you to bypass ground-based defenses, striking over shields or low cover. You can also use it to quickly close distances or create separation, making it an excellent tool for both offense and defense. Imagine leaping over an opponent's guard to land a critical hit, or using the aerial momentum to reposition yourself out of harm's way. This move provides a versatile option for maintaining pressure or escaping tight situations, adding a dynamic layer to your combat strategy. For advanced players, consider integrating the jumping volley into longer combo strings. For instance, a jumping volley followed by a quick ground attack can catch opponents off guard. Be aware that some characters might have unique properties or slight variations to their jumping volley, so experiment with your chosen fighter. Spend at least 15 minutes daily in practice mode, focusing on consistent execution and identifying optimal scenarios. This dedicated practice will transform a challenging maneuver into a reliable and impactful part of your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.